Hello and welcome to free Excel tutorial videos. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply a combo box in an Excel form. So what I want to achieve is to be able to use the combo box to create a drop-down list of the products that I have in stock. So the list of the products are here. Okay, we have apples, bananas, and oranges, cucumber, and lemons, and these are the unit price. And what I want to do is to include these products in the invoice. Okay, this is in this spreadsheet. I have this simple invoice to show you how we can add in a combo box. So first, notice here is the description column, which I have applied the merge and center so that the column looks wider than one cell. Okay, so now we are ready to place the combo box. So to insert a form control, go to the developer tab, and in this insert icon, click on the drop down arrow, and in the form control, okay, we want to choose the combo box. Okay, so go ahead and you see your mouse cursor become like a black crossbeam. So what we have to do now is to draw the combo box. So because I want to place the combo box in this specific cell, what I can do is I can hold down the Alt key and I can click on the cell and drag it across so that the combo box is drawn perfectly according to the size of the cell. Okay, so now what we need to do is to format the control. So just right click and select format control. Okay, so here we have the input range. The input range will be the list of products over here. Okay, before this I have already created a name range for the products called products. Okay, so I'm going to type in the name for the name range. Okay, so format control products. Okay, and the cell link will be the cell over here, and we can select the drop down lines. I'm going to put 6, and also you can choose whether or not you want 3D shading. Okay, so I'm going to put 3D shading and click OK. Okay, let's cancel for now and see if we have the name range. We don't have the name range yet, so that is why we had the error. So now let's create the name range. So I'm going to use the Ctrl Shift F3 shortcut to create a name range called products. And now we come back to the format control, put in the input range, products, the cell link, which is this one. Select 6 for the drop down lines. You can select 8, but I'm going to put 6. So select 3D shading and click OK. So now the combo box is ready. Okay. Let's check it now. See whether our combo box works or not. So let's click on the arrow and you can see apple, bananas. Okay, so we have all 5 of the products that we have in the list. Okay, so the cell link is, I put here 1. Okay, if I select apples, you will see the cell link here 1. Okay, this is because it is in the first row of the range, okay, of this list. Okay, if I choose bananas, we can see the cell link becomes number 2. Okay, so this is the key to understand how the cell link work. Okay, in when you use a combo box. So now let's copy the combo box and paste it below. Okay, and paste it again, Control V. I'm gonna move it down. I'm using the arrow key. Okay, so that I can get a precise uh, box. So now let's format the control once again. So we need to format for the second combo box. The info range is the same, but for the cell link we need to change it to the second cell. Click OK. And for the third combo box, let's do the same. Change the cell link to the third. OK. So the cell link synchronizes with the row for each combo box on invoice form. Okay, so now if I come over here and select apples, you can see it's number 1, bananas is number 2, and lemon is number 5. Okay, so for the invoice, it will be convenient for us if we are able to look up the unit price as well when we choose the product over here in the combo box. So when I choose apples, I want the unit price to show me $5. Okay, so that's what I want. Okay, and we can do that. For this, we will need to use the index function, but before that we need to give a grouping over here. So let's group this and call this list. Okay, and hit enter. So now I have the grouping over here called list, and what we are going to do is we are going to use a index function. So let's come over here and type equals index tab, and the array will be the name range. So let's type list. Okay, so it's here, put a comma. The row number is going to be the second argument, which is the cell link. So we're going to put here cell link, comma, and the third argument, the column number, we're going to have to put 2. Why? Because the unit price is in the second column. 1, 2, 3. This is the second column. Okay, so I'm going to complete the formula using the right parenthesis and hit enter. So now you see we have 5. So let's put in the format for the $sign, and we have, what I've done is I've just copied down a formula, and you can see that it gave me the price for the product in that is displayed here in the combo box. So if I change this, the price will change. Okay, so now the invoice is almost done. What you have to do now is just to create a formula for the amount. So let's put in some quantities here, and the amount, we'll put a formula which is the quantity multiplied by the unit price. Hit enter, and let's autofill, and we have the amount for each. So if I change the product in the combo box, the price of the unit price will change, as well as the amount. Okay, so if I change the cucumber, you can see that the price changes as well. So that is how you can add a combo box control to an Excel invoice form. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial.